Reactome is a free, open-source, curated and peer-reviewed knowledge base of biomolecular pathways. This tool enables users to browse Reactome's content, perform pathway analysis and overlay their own data on top of the diagrams. The pathway browser consists of several components. A species selector and other options are placed on the top. The event hierarchy is on the left. The details panel is at the bottom and it includes 6 tabs: description, molecules, structures, expression, analysis and downloads. Finally, the viewport at the center of the screen displays the pathways overview and the diagram viewer. The event hierarchy can be used to browse through pathways and reactions. All components in the browser are tightly connected and respond to each other's actions, such as hovering over items or their selection. The search feature in the pathway overview can be used to find a specific pathway by its name. Clicking on one of the search results selects the item and causes an update of every component of the viewer. Clicking on the diagram icon opens the diagram view. When the diagram opens, the location of subpathways are highlighted by shaded boxes. Selecting the fireworks-like icon brings the pathway overview back to the viewport. Selecting a reaction on the event hierarchy opens the containing pathway and zooms in to focus on the selected reaction. Transitions between the overview and pathway diagrams are animated. Once an item is selected, detailed information is available in the different tabs of the Details panel. The Description tab shows curated information stored in the Reactome database. The Molecules tab provides information about the participating molecules. The Structures tab shows structural information from third-party resources querying Protein Data Bank for proteins, Kebi for chemicals, and RIA for reactions. The Expression tab retrieves data from the Expression Atlas across a standard set of tissues and organs. The Downloads tab shows buttons to download the pathway in several formats for reuse or reference. The user can control the level of information by zooming in and out. Initially, all trivial molecules are hidden, and shaded boxes highlight the locations of subpathways. As the view zooms in, the trivial molecules progressively appear, while the shaded boxes fade out. As zooming continues, stoichiometry and Ptms are shown. When fully zoomed in, the shapes representing proteins and chemicals reveal their molecular structures and associated information. When the mouse pointer is hovered over an entity, a small triangle appears inside it. Clicking the triangle or right-clicking on the entity itself opens a context dialog with more information, such as its participating molecules and other pathways where this entity occurs. 3 buttons at the top right corner control toggling from names to identifiers, pinning the context dialog box to the view, or closing it. The search feature in the diagram viewer can be used to find entities, events, or interactors within the displayed pathway. Selecting a result in the search makes the view smoothly transition to the area of interest. Different color profiles can be selected in order to change the appearance of the displayed diagram. Clicking on the red circle at the top right corner of an entity reveals its interactors from the intact database in a radial layout. More information can be found in the Interactors tab in the Context dialog. When fully zoomed in, the interactor shapes reveal their molecular structures and associated information. Interactors can be filtered by confidence score using the slider. Different color profiles can be selected to change the appearance of the displayed interactors. More interactor resources can be selected in the Settings panel. To facilitate easy navigation between resources, the revealed interactor's layout is remembered when a source is reselected. The Pathway browser enables users to import and overlay their own data as a custom resource. The inline documentation provides more information about the custom resources, the different ways of submitting the data, and the supported formats. Once uploaded, custom resources will remain available for at least 7 days. This period of time is automatically extended by frequent usage. The last part of this introductory video is about the analysis of user data. Different kinds of data can be submitted via the Analysis Submission interface. There are 3 steps to the analysis submission process: selection of the data to be analysed, setting the available options, and performing the analysis. Inline documentation is also available. Results are displayed in the Analysis tab of the Details panel and overlaid on the Pathways overview, providing a bird's eye view to facilitate browsing. The colour of the overlay indicates the significance of the pathway match. When a pathway is selected, a marker indicates its expression level on the right side of the scale. Hovering the mouse pointer over another pathway places a marker on the left side of the expression scale, allowing comparison. Analysis results overlaid onto pathway diagrams enable navigation through a series of submitted expression samples, such as a time series. In pathway diagrams, entities that were represented in the submitted dataset are coloured. Granularity of the overlay increases with the level of zoom. When zoomed in, complexes and sets are overlaid with coloured strips to indicate the expression of their participating molecules. When interactors have been included in the analysis, if an interactor of an entity has been hit by the sample, a ribbon is shown on the entity. When the interactors are revealed, those that were hit are coloured on the view and in the context dialog. Different analysis colour profiles can be selected to change the appearance of the results overlay. The Pathway browser provides a variety of options to export the analysis results as an image or a file. Thanks for watching. Please like the video if you found it useful. If you have any comments or questions, contact us at help@reactome.org.